today? So we got kind of this onion effect, so you can see the McDonald's sign right there. MyDaughter right here. And we're gonna start here at the McDonald's, and we're gonna do what we're gonna call the onion. So we're gonna go in a circle one time, and then a different time, and it's just gonna be like, you'll see, it'll be kind of interesting. We're basically gonna go around the McDonald's in 3 different ways. Kind of cool, right? Let's do it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Alright, let's do it. So let's grab the viewer, and before we even go up, we got McDonald's right here, and we also have all this kind of scaffolding, which is kind of interesting too. And we're gonna start our onion, so we're gonna we'll step back a little bit, and then we're gonna look at our sign right up there, McDonald's. So this is gonna be where we're gonna go around 3 different times, well, 2 different times, but this is our first time at the McDonald's. So there's our McDonald's. By the way, just so that you can know, there's some scaffolding that's kind of cool. So what they'll do in Macau is they'll climb up the scaffolding and they'll do some construction. But what we're gonna do is this our first layer of the onion right here, right? Yeah. Let's go in. Let's check it all out. So when you first come in, you wouldn't really know. Like, here's the bathroom in McDonald's is right here. So that one seems pretty clear. But then you come around and it's like, ooh, there's. And it's like, whoa, what's that? Got this giant corridor. So in this big building, basically this McDonald's is cut off right here. And then, so this one right here is a little place where they have the trash. And then they even have another one that goes out into this other alley right there. That's gonna be our 3rd layer of the onion. There's like more stuff in here too.
Isn't that the scale?
The scale?
Yeah.
Oh, the scale of the onion?
Yeah. You said that's the same.
I think so. So you can see, we saw right in there the kitchen. There's actually some other interesting stuff in here too. Okay, so we just went around the first layer of the onion. And now we're gonna come back. I will show you where we're gonna come out to. And in case you didn't know, we come out to a Japanese restaurant. Wow, amazing. And then, doing a video now?
Sorry?
Doing a video now.
Good, that's good.
So we just came in through there right there, and we're gonna do the 3rd layer. So we're gonna come around this way. I was just actually talking to him about we were eating here, and he was just telling me that he likes to watch the videos and he shares them with people back home as well. So so I just ran into him again. So but he's going to be part of our video again the 3rd time. So I hope he doesn't mind. But anyways, we're back at the onion. We're back at the core again, which is McDonald's. There's a takeout window, 24 hours, ice cream. So you can actually order right there. McDonald's. McDonald's. How do you say McDonald's in Cantonese? McDonald. When I used to live in Japan, they used to pronounce it McDonald because they'd have all these different syllables that they would use. And when I was in Korea, they would say McDonald because they would also put it in their language, and it was kind of like that. Okay, so we're going to go around, and actually I hope he doesn't mind that he's going to be in our video, but we're going to come back around the 3rd time, and then That's our plan, so yeah, nothing else to say than that. Okay, so next we're gonna come around this way right here. So this is actually gonna be our next space in this, I think it's this one. No, it's this one. Straight ahead, right? So we're gonna go to this one. And then this one, there's another entrance right here. There it is right there. So this is gonna be our third layer of the onion. Yeah, it's like kind of the same thing, but it's like kind of a thoroughfare, right? So this one kind of goes through all the way, and we're actually going to do a video about this building. I might not even in it.
I've always wondered what this place is for besides walking.
It's kind of a shortcut to McDonald's because that's where we were just at a few minutes ago.
Shortcut, but then it feels like it's missing something.
It feels like it's missing like vendors. There could be like little vendors in here, or there could be like shops in here. There could be stuff like that.
Yeah.
So then we're gonna come back out again to this particular street. We got Daiso right there. So now we're gonna go which way? I think we're gonna go back that way. So we're gonna come back again, and then we're going to basically we're gonna continue with our onion and kind of come around this. So we basically just did this little side street, and now we're back at our Japanese restaurant again. The Japanese restaurant has one corner. McDonald's has another corner. And just so that if anybody's curious, this is called Hua de Tai Lin. So this is just kind of a little bit of a fun video. And if we wanted to, we could actually come back again and do a third layer if we wanted to. But I think the idea is pretty good already, what we already have. So I don't think that we would need to do a third layer, but it is kind of interesting. Let me give you a little bit of context to some other stuff around here. There's Taipa Plaza right there to the right on the other side. That has about 40 restaurants, including a little Mexican one, Thai one. There's we went in there the other day, and there was a Turkish guy that he has his own restaurant now too. I think he's gonna have a pizza restaurant, takeout pizza. But that's all over there in the Taipa Plaza right there. The other thing we should highlight is the scaffolding right here on the McDonald's. So that scaffolding goes up, and you can build stuff all the way up there, and they can repair the top by just climbing up it. I got the McDonald's sign right there. And then that yellow building, you know what that yellow building is?
This one I'm pretty sure. Oh.
You can speak into it. I'll give it closer. So.
I'm pretty sure it's like for firemen practicing to get the people. I mean to like save the people from the fire in the house.
That's exactly, yeah.
But then that's like just a practice thing.
That's exactly right. So they'll just practice up there. So basically they'll have all these floors, and then they just bring up the things, and they'll try to act out like a fire. So I've never seen them do it, but they do have it.
Me neither. I never seen it.
What's that? They're doing some more construction. There's a lot of construction. So this is the one that we just went into, and we started out over there, and then we're just gonna come back over here. And I think what we're gonna do is just go to the corner here, and then we'll end it and kind of give a context to this little corner. So yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed this one. It's kind of a little fun one, interesting one, just kind of going around the corner of this. Actually, just I should also give some background as well. This street is called, it's a Skyway, so they have a Guimarães Avenue, which is the Skyway right here. So I think what we're going to do is just end up on our corner here. And I'm just going to explain it real quick. But this Skyway goes all the way down to the train station. It also goes down to Kotai. You can also see Kotai directly over there because you see it, right?
Yep. There's the City of Dreams.
City of Dreams. So City of Dreams is over there, Londoner, Venetian, and this is basically this little Kotai area. So we started just kind of going around this little corner here, going around that block, going in it in a couple different directions like an onion. So and before we end, I guess we should just say that that's Guimarães. This is Taipa Centro. And we started down there.
Right now at Rua de Nam Keng.
Good, and that thing. Do you want to do the closure?
Bye.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.